Hi everyone, my name is Paola and today I'm going to show you guys how to get the most natural foundation application and cover up acne. Whether it's a large pimple or acne all over, basically this is going to make your skin look absolutely flawless but supernatural. I was inspired to do this video because I had a massive breakout on my chin and body from my gluten allergy. So I wanted to show you guys that even if you have acne, you can still create a flawless face. And with that being said, let's get started. So the first product that you're gonna need is a really good moisturizer. And the one that I'm using today is from Yves Rocher, and I'm absolutely in love with this cream. This cream has a really nice texture to it and it's super lightweight. And the name of this one is Smoothing Care. The second part of the skin preparation, I'm going to use the Neutrogena Hydra Boost for eye area. And again, this one also has a very lightweight and leaves you with a very refreshing sensation. To cover up those dark areas, what you're gonna need, it's a color correction first, and the one that I'm using, it's a primer. Actually, it's from Makeup Forever, but to be honest, I believe it's a great choice because you just need to take a very little amount and place it on the dark areas that you want to cover it. And that's what I'm doing now. And for the primer, I'm using Primerizer from Smashbox. Usually I use the primer all over my face, but since I'm using this color correction, which is also primer, I'm using only on my cheeks, nose and forehead. Now to cover up this color correction that I did, I will be using this LA Pro Conceal in the color Toffee, and this will be actually just kind of a base for me when I place my foundation. Doesn't show up that much orange color. For the foundation, I'm using this concealer from Tarte and my shade is Tan Deep Sand. And for blending, I'm using the brush. It's actually a Brazilian brand. It's called The Beauty Box. And the number of this one is F14. And I will link the website in the description down below in case you guys want to buy it. For highlighting, I will be using this concealer from NARS. This one is the Radiant Creamy and my shade is Caramel. For brightening the inner corner of my eyes, I will be using this concealer from Tarte. This one is the Crystallis and the shade it's medium tan. It's actually very light for me, but still I like to use because give me this highlight effect, but it's not too strong. For contouring, I will be using the LA Girl Pro Conceal and my shade is Beautiful Bronze. It's quite warm, but still I can use. I think the color in my skin it's quite nice, so that's why I'm using. And for blending everything, I will be using this brush from the Beauty Box as well, and the number of this one is F8. And for blending the highlighter part, I will use the same brush that I used before. This is a 3D kabuki brush, so it's good because I can use it in the little corners on my face. For blending my area under the eyes, this brush, unfortunately, the name is faded out, so I can't say it, but I know that Sigma and Zoeva, they have brushes similar like this one. And for setting everything on my face, I will be using this MAC Powder Foundation. My shade is NEC 45, and the brush that I will be using is this F11, also from the Beauty Box. And for enhancing what I already have did in my contouring, I will just use this palette by Kiss. The color of this one is medium dark. I will use the darkest shade for the contour and just the white yellowish color for the highlights. And this is the final look. I hope you enjoy it. Please give your thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel because we have videos every week. So I hope you see you in my next video. Bye bye.